Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your account name in Phantom Wallet. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Chrome on desktop and I have the Phantom Wallet extension installed. Up at the top right hand corner you'll find the Phantom Wallet icon. If you need to add it there, you'll have to do that. I have already done so, so we're just going to go ahead and click on that. And that's going to open up our wallet. What we're looking for is up at the top left hand corner, this icon here. If we select that, that's going to open up a submenu. And then from there, we want to select here the pencil icon that says Manage Accounts. Once we select that, then we can select the account that we want to update. And then from there, you can see the option to change your account name just here. Go ahead and click on that. And then you can change your account name, and when you're done, just hit save at the bottom, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.